viewers at home, you are welcome to this channel, Insight with Tola, and today we have a very big guest in person of engineer Oloruntoba Abe, FNSC, that is fellow Nigerian Society of Engineers. He was the 19th chairman of the Akure branch of the society, and today he's with us as a guest, and we have some few questions to ask him for the future. Engineer sir, can you introduce yourself and share a summary of your career journey so far?
Yeah, good day, Mr. Moderator. It's my pleasure coming on this program. Once again, my name is Engineer Oloruntoba Williams Abe, fellow Nigerian Society of Engineers, a graduate of Ondo State University, then now Ekiti State University, a graduate of master graduate of Obafemi Law University. My journey to the civil service of Ondo State as a professional engineer came on board on year 2001. Thank God, now today, 24 years very soon at the service of Ondo State government.
That's interesting.
And God has been my protection, the shield, my all in all ultimate. Thank God for his journey so far. A lot of challenges, water passed over the bridge, everything. I give God all the glory.
Thank you, sir. My second question is, what inspired you to choose profession?
Yeah, what inspired me right from my...
Well, you have not told us your exact field.
Yeah, electrical engineer.
Good. So what inspired you to...
Coming into electrical engineer, really from my secondary or primary school days, you know, we used to play during the Christmas period. You know, my father was a typical farmer. Some of this holiday, long holiday, during the festival, some of it to celebrate it in the farm, the hamlet. So I used to have this in there. I cut a bamboo, the stem of a bamboo tree, remove it, and now insert this dry cell battery. Put it into it, put the torchlight bulb, extend the wire. So I can put it here, I extend the wire to some meters away in the room, and I do enjoy it. So later on, that inspired me that I'm very soon how will I get this thing done in a larger perspective. How will I get it done? That's what inspired me right from my secondary school, from my primary school up to secondary school. My secondary school, I was a poor student of biology. Thank God, I was a good student of mathematics and physics. So that's what inspired me to become an engineer. When I got to the university, you know, a lot of inspiration sense concept, thought of automated, and then remote. How to get it remote done without getting to a door. Without touching it, you can open the door easily. The door will open without touching it. And so all these things related together are definitely among an electrical engineer, so that all this will come to this practical come to reality. And that's our thing.
Thank you very much. That really shaped your career.
Yeah.
So we are going to the second segment, and that is insight and challenges. That is the second segment. What are the most significant challenges you faced in your career?
My career, you know, being a civil service system I'm venturing to.
Yes.
You meet with contractors. Contractors come down, protocol backbone, but those two, but you will stand your, keep your stand. You have another thing. A lot of things. Up and down, challenges of the protocol class, challenges of within the system. The so-called colleagues, they are there, maybe they see you going shine, and they cut you down. They believe you are not able to them in their future, or what they try to do, you have done it before them, so there's nothing you will do for them. So that's a kind of challenges facing the system, or which I've encountered in my professional development. Just like they call it just not quite long. 2006 during the visit of the then President Obasanjo. So we had to install some guidance at government house. So that's once a delay from the contractor to supply the generator per se, and we have to put the generator, install the transformer, get it ready before the visit of the Mr. President. Then Commissioner said, I get him sacked because I did not deliver. But I can't tell him that the man who gave the supplying of the man did not supply the assignment, but the man supplied late. When the commissioner came there at midnight, saw me walking like it. It's now deep inside to the pocket. Yeah, go and get something to drink. So it's a lot of challenges.
So that brings me to the fifth question. How do you approach problem solving in complex situations?
In complex situations, there's no need for you to rush. Calm down. And everything you do, calm down and be focused. If you are not focused, if you are rushing it, you miss the target. But you calm down, follow it. Don't be somehow worried that, okay, God said that you deliver this within the second time. No, keep your time and be focused and be time conscious. Timing, because if you are free, calm down, but you don't follow the time and miss the target.
Thank you.
Calm and time conscious.
Thank you for that advice. Then the sixth question: what key skills or attributes are necessary for success in your field as an electrical engineer?
Key.
Yes. Skills.
Yes.
Look at your...
Yeah, as an electrical engineer, don't believe you are Mr. Know. Don't believe that you know everything. Even though you are subordinate, very subordinate, write him or her to your team. How do we do this thing?
So that is teamwork.
Believe in that teamwork. Don't believe that you are this table, you are Mr. Controller, so you know everything, you don't know anything. The advice of most junior officer can help you solve that problem. Because you want to identify a community, you believe that you have your design on paper and this is how this thing must be followed religiously. And you don't believe that others should have it. No, you miss it. By the time you put everything on that, you know that you are not getting it right.
Then can you share an example of a failure and how you turned it into success?
Really, I don't believe in failure. So I believe in success. So most of all, if not all the projects that we do, as I've rightly said in my introduction on the duties, I believe in teamwork. So there's no complex situation. If there's any complex situation, I invite people. I even make a call. Alright, how will you do this? Just of recent, I want to. As of recent, it doesn't take me time to call a friend in Abuja who have similar experience in the same field. How will you solve this thing? Don't believe that, feel shy that at my age, I be calling someone to give me and decide to run. No. Be ready to call people, seek assistance, seek people's opinion, and you get the problem solved.
Thank you for that. So, on the third segment, titled Advice for Aspiring Professionals. You know, we have young engineers that are coming up in universities and they will be looking up to you. So, what advice will you give to young engineers or starting their career?
Yeah. My advice to young engineers who are starting their profession as a young engineer, don't believe that you want to become Dangote overnight. Try to become Dangote overnight and leave you to somewhere else that you are not finding yourself. Find your feet in that profession. And that's what is killing the profession right now. Today, I'm a middleman in the profession. I want to become the father. How will I achieve it? I can't. Because I did not take my time to study the rudiment, the stages they pass through. Those who are looking up to study their stages, even though seek their advice, the advice will help me that, okay, this thing you should have achieved it, this is how you should go, this is how you should do it, this is how you should do it. If you follow that trend, get it done. But if you don't follow that trend, you might miss the target. Because that target is a major thing. Because don't follow mundane issue, this money and naira common. Don't be your priority. Your priority is that, how would I get to this thing? Because if I'm spending 1 year in that profession, think of looking ahead at, I know my introduction I said by these are 24 years in science of composting. And someone who's coming in want to be like me. You lose the road. You won't achieve anything. Looking at what I've achieved today, what to achieve in overnight. They didn't know the stages I've passed through. So the same thing goes on. If you are coming in as a young engineer, please be focused. Know the do's and don'ts of that professions. Know the trends of things, how things goes. And with the recent things, the mode of my study then as a student is different from what they are studying now. The IA is simple. You apply it to your job. How will it related to your job? At least your technology should be conversant with trends of things and things goes. Move along with it. Study, share knowledge, but then you achieve better.
Thank you. Are there any misconceptions about your field that you like to clear up? Any misconception?
I don't believe
from your experience?
My experience.
Quackery or any other things like that?
Plenty.
Yeah, no. So I want you to share that with me.
No. This electrical engineering mainly in engineering per se, all field of engineering. If you see Baba Ramota, who is a bricklayer, you call himself an engineer, you decide that you design this thing. And the building then is the one who built Cocoa House in Bata. That you can do it, what do you have there that can do it better? No. And that's why we are having collapse here, infrastructure failure here and there today. Because you are not an engineer, you're a technician, belong to a technician, that's good. It's what the engineer said, okay, I want to erect this pole. The pole I will erect here is different from what I will erect in Udola, which is on the water. You know the technology of the engineering behind it. How will I do it? To be the day of an engineer. But the technician will call himself, will call and propose to that is an engineer. Yeah, I've been doing the job for
more than 30 years.
And another money bag will come and tell you that you employ engineer, you employ this, you know more than you do. A lawyer in the system will come and can do what is engineering to engineer. So all this do not make me feel comfortable at times. But to everything at times, I sit and call that profession I can boldly say, because you see someone here today calling himself engineer here, engineer there, who don't even know the difference between infestation and integration. So
thank you for that, sir. Then how can one stay relevant and continuously improve in this your profession?
Yeah. As an electrical engineer, as I've already said, study, continue to share knowledge, study more, because as change of things are going, what I studied there may not be relevant now. Keep on learning until death. Because I remember if Papa Dede, which we buried last week, an engineer of years, we continue to study when we are doing this, but now it should be this, it should be that, it should be this. Likewise to the old engineers, that's what I've been saying. They are not relenting on their study. If you go to the archive, they are library, they study every day, even though they go on net. What is applicable?
Courses online.
Yes. What is applicable now? How do we apply it to the trend of things? Now, that's what. So one must continue to study and get relevant to things.
Yes, as they say, all work and no play looks like a dog work. Now I want to go to the phone and personal touch. What do you enjoy doing outside your work?
After my work, I will tell the story my profession that I was the 19th chairman of
The Nigerian
Senate
Senate
of the Akure branch. I held that position for 2 years. That's 2016 to 2008. I involved mainly politics of engineering. So
that's another dimension. Politics. So
Politics.
after your practicing
of the profession, I now go to the politics of that profession, of the society of that.
So we are at home, I hope you are listening.
That
you have to go into
that politics of that. So we involved in a lot. I involved myself a lot in the politics. Just of recent time, I just take time off and okay, I'm getting let the people for the younger ones to go. So I have to relax.
Young shall grow.
But I've involved myself both at the branch level, at the national level. I've involved myself. I take time out. For years, I've been involved. Even though for myself, university days, I've been involved in the politics of that profession.
At student level.
At student level. I was the NESA, that's the Nigerian University Student Association. I was the secretary then. My university days.
Politics has been in your blood.
To God be the glory. Well, after that, if I have just upgraded now and reduce my social involvement, I'll go to joint, last things of pepper soup, talk with people, relax. So just of recent, I have to come down with all those things. But I thank God. After work, go back to my house and play with my family. That's politics.
Yeah.
So I play the politics with my family now.
So now I'm just going back home. So if you could meet any innovator or professional from history, who would it be and why? Any professional, who would it be? Why?
Professional,
yes.
A professional, not
innovator or a professional.
Innovator. Well. If I meet an innovator or this, I would like to meet, if possible, this the Baba of the olden days who have been in that system, who have practiced that system to the extent that people still reckon with them today. See, Arukudare, that's a Tianaro. That is, they know the profession very well. Not all these money back who have adapted the system, they are professional themselves, and they believe in the cause of the engineers. And most of them are now, the senior one who follow them. Making it.
What's the fun fact about you that most people don't know? Everybody has different sides, but what is it about you?
I don't honor in Yoruba age. Back in there. Yes. So I can't see myself this kind of pattern.
I mean, a lamp. Cannot see under itself.
Yes. I myself, I don't know, but I believe that I talk less.
An introvert or a quiet.
I don't know.
In between the two.
I don't talk much, and I believe that God Almighty, like I said, my son Atoma, who they call me, Daddy, always say, that's my slang too.
Yes, Engr.Abe. We are Oloruntoba. We are very happy to have you on this episode of Insight with Tola, and we appreciate your coming and your time. And we believe that our own viewers, young ones that are listening now, will gain or you would have gained certain exposure and experience from him, which you can use in the future. Like some of what he said is mainly to be successful, you have to be focused. If you are not focused and you are not determined to come down and learn about the process of engineering, you will not be successful. So on this program, we have a small gift. It looks small, but I believe that is where we started from. This is a clutch pencil, and on this segment, we believe that this is a gift. I want to say we appreciate you for coming.
Thanks so much.
Yes, that's a pencil.
I can use it to.
It's a pencil
To do a little design.
Yes, that's where we started from as engineers. Because there's no engineering without pencil.
We won't go with your pencil HB.
Everywhere, you might want to sketch, 2B,
HB,
exactly.
Do some sketching.
Yes.
Go with your drawboard.
Exactly.
Clear. So we will. But nowadays,
nowadays you use AutoCAD,
use
but you
AutoCAD.
still need that pencil for sketch.
It's for sketch. You have to sketch it.
Yes, you sketch
If you
initially
sketch what you want,
before you transmit.
you transmit it to your computer.
So
Get
thank you very much, sir.
It's a pleasure.
We appreciate your time.
So I think
And you say now that your politics is now with your family, please send our greetings to your family as well.
I will.
And viewers at home, say thank you.